beauty channel. Oh, I am so excited. Like, if you guys are just seeing my face, I do have another YouTube channel, Nell's. But this is my beauty channel. I'm not sure what I'm gonna name it as. It either Nell's World, Nell's Beauty, or Shen's World. I'm not sure, but you guys will see it down below. So today for my first video, I got me a hair. It's actually a headband wig. Like it's my first time owning a headband wig, so I'm excited to see how this is, like how it turns out. This is from, I think it's Aiterina or Aiterina. I'm not sure, but this is the name that's on there. Alright guys, so let's see how this hair looks. So this is it. The bag is golden and it is freaking amazing. Like, what in the world? So this is, I'm so excited to see what's inside, how it looks. It says that it's 100% human hair, beautiful and natural hair. So before I go, let's feel. They gave me wig cap, 2 pieces, nice, and they gave me this 3D lash. That's so cool. I am so freaking excited for this. Like, it's my first time actually owning a headband wig. Like, I've never owned a headband wig in my life, and ooh. Are you freaking serious? Like, come on now, come. This hair is so... Wait, no. I know it's because it's my first time actually owning a headband wig, but let me tell you, this is so soft. Oh my goodness. Like guys, when I tell you that this is so soft, and it does smell like hair, like what in the world? I am so excited to put this on my head right now. My fingers are just gliding through it like, it just reminds me of the bundles that I have, which I no longer have. I don't know where they are. I don't know who took them. But yeah, guys, what is y'all gonna see me living in this wig, this headband wig to be exact. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get the back of my head. I guess I can just plait it low. I don't have to, because the front is already like braided. But yeah guys, as I was saying, I got my hair braided. Now the hair, it has so it has 4 clips. A big one at the top, 2 at the side here, and this one at the back. It also has this Velcro tape. I don't know how long this is gonna last, so if it does wear out, then I will just tie it in. But it also comes with this, where is it? The strap as well, so you can make it tighter if you want. So that's really, I ain't gonna lie, for the amount that I pay for this wig, or this headband wig, actually it's pretty amazing. I'm not gonna lie. I am not lying. This is amazing. I'm gonna just brush up the front part first, like get the little baby hair slicked back a bit. Come on now. As you know, my hair is bleached, right? So that's okay. Just need to sleek down some more. So this is not tight. Like, the Velcro part is not tight. It's just to hold the headband part around it, I guess. But with the clips down in my hair, it's not going anywhere. This is so amazing. Like, what? Guys, are you seeing this? Like, the hair is flowing. Like, this is gonna be my... Come on now. You can't tell me that this one nice. This nice, does it? Like what? I didn't know what to expect because this is my first time wearing a headband wig. But when I tell you that this, oh, not gonna see me night till it's still. I'm really not care on my own. Nobody can tell me something my hair is. Did you cream my hair? Yes, I did. Did you go back to black? Yes, I did. This is like, I don't even have to do anything to it. I don't even have to put in anything. I'm really not going to put anything in it right now. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Like seriously, I want to show you guys the back. You guys can see it, but period. Remember, you want some more black hair? See that?
Yeah, let me see.
You like? But no, for real, guys. Like what? And it's actually a what? 12 inch? It's a 12 inch, and this here is. Come on now, get into it. I wish I had collected the other package, because it has like the headbands in there and such. But that is fine by me. Next time I'm gonna collect it, and I'm gonna be able to like wear the different headbands. So I'm just so excited for that. But guys, this here, she is amazing. Like, I did not expect it to like be this light, this free, this, and it's not even shedding. Like what? This is a hair that I can just pull on and wear if I don't want to comb my head. If I don't want to comb my hair, then I can just pull this on and just go and just look ready and good to go. Like, oh my goodness. So yeah, guys, like literally, this is the hair. This is the hair. There's nothing else I want to say about it than you guys need to get it. Like seriously, I couldn't believe that this is how amazing the hair feels. The length is perfect, especially because the time is very hot. So this is perfect. You can't tell me that this doesn't look like my hair. Like what? Come on now. So guys, this is going to be my beauty channel. It's gonna have hair care, skin, beauty, like anything that is regards to beauty, smell good and all of that. This is gonna be that channel, because I miss watching YouTube when I had the YouTubers with the little background around the back and all. I just missed it. So I just felt like, you know what, I'm gonna do it myself. Why not do it and do what I love? Like this is just gonna be my little girly channel. Yeah, all things girly. I'm so excited. If you guys love this hair and think that it looks good on me, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll definitely see you guys in another video. Bye. Really and truly, guys, I thought I was finished, but apparently it did come with a headband. I did not see because I didn't think it was in there, but it was in the corner of the bag, and I'm so excited. So now I can actually put it on to see how it will look. But this one is so freaking cute. Like what? Hi guys, I'm looking in the mirror behind this, and it was in the bag. But guys, isn't this cute? Like come on now. Isn't this cute? But yeah, that's enough for the end of the video, guys. Bye.